Happy birthday to
This
you.
is how we celebrate.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Woo!
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to
To
me.
Happy birthday.
Yay! The shots.
Shots,
Shots.
shots,
Shots.
shots,
Shots. Hi guys. Welcome back to my channel, and today is my birthday. Yay! And yeah, happy birthday to me. Yeah, it's my birthday, guys, and since I'm in America, I think, birthdays come so fast. I'm getting old and I just hate it. It's 4:30 in the evening right now, and my whole day I spent talking to my family and friends. This time I was getting everyone's call, and that's good, which means everyone loves me. Yeah, so now I just took a shower and I really wanted to go for a manicure and pedicure. Look at my nails, they are so horrible. I'm just hating them. I didn't cut them by myself because this time, almost after an year, I am going for a mani-pedi. Yeah, since morning I was busy in phones, so I couldn't film anything. So but now let's get started. Yeah, we'll go out for a dinner. When I used to work, I always take off on my birthdays because I used to work in a customer service industry, and you know how customer service industry is. Like, it can make your day really good or it can destroy your day like this. So I never used to work on my birthdays. And even till now, last year I was working here as well. I was working as a bartender and I took a day off at that day as well. I don't work on my birthdays. So that's my thing. What is your thing? What do you don't do or do on your birthdays? Let me know in the comment section. And yeah, let me just dry my hair now and I'll get started and I'll show you my outfit of the birthday. Gaurav Sharma is here, I think so. Yay! Thank you, oh God. Okay, so he got me flowers. Yeah, yellow lilies.
Yellow and pink lilies.
That's pretty. Thank you, Mr. Gaurav Sharma. So mani and pedi done. This is wine color. Yeah, it's a fall appropriate color. I'm so ready for my birthday dinner. How I'm looking? Tell me. Yeah, luckily today was my good makeup day. So yeah, I'm wearing this dress. This is from Zara. Those are my shoes. I'm wearing these. Before I wanted to wear black heels, but they're gonna destroy my freshly done pedicure. Yeah, and that's the little bag. And yeah, I'm ready to go. Look at my makeup. It is a game today. So yeah, guys, let's go. Wow, Riyansh, say hi, guys. Yeah, where is Riyansh? She's at Mama's birthday.
Happy birthday, Isha.
Thank you. Okay, so I want to tell you guys one story, and that story is I was talking to Gaurav when we were coming here. I was wishing for a rooftop restaurant, and then we got it. Yeah, it's a sudden, it's a sudden invention. And look at this guy; he's so happy sitting
He's
outside.
standing on the table.
And
He's like a cabaret dancer.
And maybe it's because of Riyansh, because he really like outside. He don't want to sit inside. Yeah, I thought I would have asked for $1 million.
Say happy birthday.
Indian rooftop, we are at Mint. Yes, yay! Happy birthday to you. Come here. Happy birthday to Happy birthday to me. Yay!
No, it won't blow.
Wow! This is so fun! Happy Chuchu guys! Thank you! Hello! Yay! It's Sunday and it's a good day. We are going for a little getaway, little vacation. We can't call it vacation, right? No, it's not a vacation. It's a weekend getaway. Actually, we are going to Atlantic City. Yay! This guy is never excited, but it's okay. I am excited. So we both are going. Riyash is at his grandfather's house, so we want him to enjoy there with them, you know, and we want to enjoy alone.
पैंडेमिक में हम पहली बार जा रहे हैं किसी होटल में रुकने.
Yeah, right. Yeah, this is for the first time after pandemic.
Since pandemic happened.
Exactly. Since pandemic happened, this is for the first time we're gonna stay in any hotel room, you know. But yeah, let's see how it's gonna be. Yay! Finally, we reached Atlantic City. Atlantic City is in New Jersey, and it's a smaller version of Las Vegas. And all the famous casinos and resorts are here. And yeah, I'm gonna show you in my video, but I just wanted to tell you guys our first time to Atlantic City was in 2016 when we came here. That was our first year in America also, and that was our first anniversary when we planned to come here. But we were like people with really small budget at that time, so we came in a bus. What bus they call them? Greyhound, right? Yeah, Greyhound bus that comes from Port Authority. Yeah, we came in that, and for one day again, but today also we are here for one night and one day, and yeah, we're gonna make it really good because now we are in a car and we can go anywhere, right?
Yeah.
And as Sharma said, don't disturb me while I'm driving. Boring personality. What we can do. We are here for checkout and look at. Oh, sorry. We are here for check-in, and look at the queue. Like there's so many people in here, you know. We are at Ocean Casino and Resort. Yeah, I'm gonna show you my room. Yeah, it starts from here, and there's the bathroom right there, and that's the room. Okay, so we were looking for king size, but they don't have any available, so we got to queen. That's show you the view. Oh my god, wow. Ooh, that is so amazing. That's Atlantic Ocean, guys, in Atlantic City. Wow. It's a oceanside resort, and this is so amazing. Let's. This is me, you know, my hair, my skirt, everything is white. But I'm totally loving it. Yeah, look at that. Gaurav Sharma. But it's a hot pool, baby. It's a hot pool. We'll go in a pool. We're going to casino now. Yeah, शर्मा जी को बहुत ठंड लगती है. जैकेट पहनी है इन्होंने अंदर भी. At casino. Only the thing is this, I know we are not allowed to make any video or anything in a casino, so I'm showing you from the outside. This is only one casino. This place is full of casinos. That's Bailey's, that's Caesars Palace, guys. All the resorts are in Vegas, they all are here as well. Yeah, first time we came in a bus. They dropped us at Caesars and we were staying at I don't know where.
I don't even remember.
No, I remember, but that was a chota hotel where we stayed. Like सबसे सस्ता वाला रूम मैंने लिया था ऑनलाइन ढूंढ के कि हमारे बजट में हो जाए वो. That's the strip club. That's nice. And they say now hiring. Sharma ji, you want a job there?
मेरे को क्या जॉब मिलेगी वहाँ? पोल डांस की? पोल डांस करना मैं?
Yeah, you look horrible while doing pole dance. When you know you gotta walk, you're gonna wear your docs. Yay! We are out for dinner. That's Gaurav Sharma. That's me. We are on a boardwalk. And yeah, that's my outfit, guys. It's not so cold, but still I'm wearing a big coat. I don't know why. Maybe, you know, for the safer side. Dinner tonight at Amada. Spicy potatoes, and he gave me these to make it more spicy. And guys, this thing is killed. Hey, that's a papaya, guys. I'm eating this for the first time and I always wanted to eat it. Yeah, it's a chicken paya. अमेजिंग यार, कितना सुंदर है ना, बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है मुझे. Thought it's gonna be cold, but it's not, and it's an amazing weather today. So now we're gonna ride in this thing on the whole boardwalk. Look at this. Yeah, it's a long boardwalk and we were walking, but now this rail gadi is better. Still need to get breakfast. It's 12 in the afternoon and we're gonna get a brunch, but still we are enjoying this ride, you know. Look at this. Yay. It's a brunch time and we are having fun at the beachside resort. We took a ride in this car, or I don't know what they call this, lamba auto rickshaw. Now we are ready to take out our car and move on to New York City. Thanks for watching, guys. Please subscribe to my channel. Much love.